Glancing into my world, the observant sees students seeking guidance, a sea of eyes filled with determination, defiance, and delight, rooms filled with distinct personalities begging to be noticed, adolescents bombarded with issues searching for approval, bright minds daring me to challenge them. I accept. I am a teacher. Drifting through the halls, the intent listener will hear students voicing opinions, learning how to support them, the creaking of minds opening to new concepts, ideas being absorbed within the walls of the classroom, discussions full of insightful comments, shouts of celebration for a job well done, the tones of student voices noting signs of frustration or joy. I listen. I am a teacher. Gurgling inspiration runs deep, I feel. The uncertainty of students venturing into adulthood. A passion for teaching each morning as I step before my audience. An impression that I can make a difference one baby step at a time. As if I can never obtain enough knowledge, I must keep learning. Anguish, sometimes caring more than a heart can bear. I have faith. I am a teacher. Examining within myself, I acknowledge a deep need to please everyone, still knowing this is not feasible. Empathy pouring from my heart towards students who lose their direction. An embedded desire to mend hearts and create a better environment. A yearning to be a teacher, to who taps into the creative spirit. The challenge of balancing roles of mother, wife, educator, advisor, and coach. I am not superwoman. I am a teacher. Offering advice to prospective teachers, I recommend pursuing the field of education with an open heart and mind, exploring all the nuances of your subject area and gaining a strong understanding, accepting the fact that teaching is a life choice, remembering that your humanity makes you perfect for the role, knowing that the perks are intrinsic. Nothing compares to being an influence in so many lives. You take a chance. Be a teacher. Thank you.